Hi, I'm Amanda Marischal and I'm one of the co-founders of Take 3.
I'm Kristen McSpadden and I work with Take 3 as an educator, partnered with Newcastle Uni.
So Take 3 started 10 years, we're coming into our 10th year now, and Take 3 is a simple message about taking 3 bits of rubbish from a beach, a waterway or anywhere, because you might not have put the rubbish there but you can take it away. So it's divulging responsibility to everyone every day rather than just making it an annual event. It's about behaviour change.
We just watched a presentation from Take 3 from the Sea. That inspired us to form a group. Our name's called Plastic Pickups.
Through our education programs, it's hoped to inspire participation through simple actions.